Hi guys, dessert time, dessert time. All right. Banana, strawberry, cantaloupe, and frozen Cool Whip. Yum. That does look beautiful. Yummy. Yeah. I love frozen Cool Whip. Just is delicious. I can just eat this. It's so good. A bite. Do you guys know they have chocolate? I'm gonna get some. They should create some hazelnut one too, while they're at it. And strawberry. I think they do have strawberry. Banana. Yummy. Looks like a heart. Okay, let's get this bite going. Banana, frozen Cool Whip, strawberry. That is good. So sprinkle some chocolate over it. Okay, so I got good news and I got bad news. Good news. I'm alive. Bad news. They totaled my new car. It's totaled. That's alright though. I'm not so much worried about the car. The payments we already made towards it. It's like goes for nothing. I was like renting a car. So, tell you what. That banana. Thank goodness we got the Gap insurance. Take it from me. We finance a car. Pay the $10 or $15 more when they ask you if you want the Gap. Because in this, it worked for our benefit. We always get it. Even though we've never had to use it in 25 years until now. Always get it. And on a good note, I can still get another Ultima. A used one. Maybe. I don't even know. what I'm gonna do. That bite. The strawberries aren't sweet. Or with the banana and the cantaloupe. I was gonna make some coffee. And that was gonna be my sweet. This one. Can always have them. Give her some bones. My roast turned out good. I was in a hurry, so we ate quick. But I got so much of it left. I definitely will be eating that for lunch. What's really good is with Cool Whip, peaches. Good stuff. Oh. I want the strawberries. They're actually not sweet at all. They're kind of sour. That was delicious. Yummy, hit the spot. But come on. Just staring at me all the time. No. No. Hi. You going to say hi? Are you going to say hi? You going to say hi? Nope, she just wants the fruit. She plays hide and go seek with me. If I hide, she'll go find me, huh? You're smart. Yes, you are. You're a smart doggy. Mama, yes, yo. Go bye-bye. I don't want to say that's mean. No doggy kisses. Woo! You smell like doggy. How is that possible? You just got all clean. You a parrot? Huh? 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 Alright, guys. That was my dessert. And I'm tired now. Go take off my makeup. Where's your toy? Go get it. Right there. Go get it. Get your toy. Gotta show you our toy. It's so cute. Let me have it. Let me see. Give me. Oh. Is that not so cute? Drives are crazy. But if you purchase one of these, you got $5 off. Oh, she's going crazy. If you purchase one of these, okay, I'm gonna throw it. I can't throw it far. Oh. If you purchase one of those, which is on clearance for $1.98, you got a $5 coupon off. So I basically got $3 off on her grooming. $3 off is $3 off. But I just thought that was so cute. I've really thought about making homemade Peeps. They're called Peeps, right? Never liked them, but I bet I can like do a Peeps on steroid. Make it like a cannoli flavor. Gotta look into that and see. I know it's basically a marshmallow. I just might do that. Okie dokie pokies. Have a wonderful night. Have a beautiful, blessed night. And I will see you guys in the morning for breakfast. Love you. Have a beautiful night. God bless. Toodles. Bye, guys.